Good morning, friends. Welcome to our very first Hipcamp stay. We're in Edgewood, New Mexico, and this place is absolutely beautiful. Very nice property, very personable host. They've got horses that you can feed. They've got very nice cats, or they have cats that act like dogs. We enjoyed their company. Stay at this Hipcamp. You'll basically be the only camper, and the site has a picnic table, and it's got full hookups, which is awesome. And it's not too far off of I-40. There's a Walmart down the road, and by the way, it is the nicest, most well-stocked Walmart we've ever been to. Hi guys, good morning. We'll be back on Friday to give you guys more apples, and we'll bring carrots. We'll bring carrots too. All right guys? Yeah. Thanks for hanging out with us. Anyway, look at this view. It was super quiet last night. It's nice. If you want an alternative to a traditional RV park, you don't want to stay at a rest stop, I can't recommend this enough. This has been great. We're actually going to be back here on Friday as we make our way back home. So anyway, I got to get off this camera because I got to help. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. If you got value out of the information, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.